Solve the simultaneous equations x plus 2y is equal to 2 and x squared minus 2y squared is equal to 4, showing all algebraic working. So if we call x plus 2y is equal to 2 equation 1, and then we call x squared minus 2y squared is equal to 4 equation 2. From 1, x plus 2y is equal to 2. If we make x the subject, we're going to get that x is 2 minus 2y. And what we're going to do now is substitute that into equation 2 instead of x. So it's going to become in brackets 2 minus 2y all squared minus 2y squared is equal to 4. We have to expand this. This means 2 minus 2y times 2 minus 2y minus 2y squared is equal to 4. So that's going to be 2 times 2 minus 2y minus 2y times 2 minus 2y minus 2y squared is equal to 4. So that gives me 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 times minus 2y, which gives me minus 4y. Minus 2 times 2, which gives me minus 4y. Minus 2 times minus 2 gives me plus, so be careful with the sign, 4y squared. Minus 2y squared is equal to 4. So that's giving me 4 minus 8y minus 2y squared is equal to 4. Now, if we notice we've got 4 and 4 here, we could cancel out. So the object here is to put this equation equal to 0 because it's a quadratic. The 4's will cancel out and we'll swap those two over. We're going to get 2y squared minus 8y is equal to 0. And then we factorise the common factor of 2y. And we're going to have y minus 4 is equal to 0. So either the 2y is equal to 0, which implies that y had to be equal to 0, or y minus 4 is equal to 0, which implies that y is equal to 4. We now substitute those values back into equation 1. So we've got x plus 2 times 0, which is equal to 2, which gives x is 2, and x plus 2 times 4, which is equal to 2, because y is 4 here. So we're going to give you x plus 8 is equal to 2. X is going to be equal to minus 6. So the solutions are x is minus 6 or y is 4, or x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, i.e. the line will cut the curve into two places. So this has been a video to show you how to solve simultaneously a quadratic with a line. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.